36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, speaking, or in and out of the camera. Your name is called. Please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Conway. This is everyone. When I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first, and then you can say yours. This is the People versus David Dawson, ticket number 134931445. Count one, who offered his license on person. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Pauline Trokey on behalf of David Dawson.
Mr. Dawson, unmute your device and give your name. Unmute your device, Mr. Dawson, and say your name.
My name. This is David Dawson. Can you hear me? This is David Dawson.
Your Honor, Mr. Dawson did show me a driver's license. Oh, no, I'm sorry. This ticket's from 2013, based upon the age of dismissal.
Ms. Horn,
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the state.
you stipulate the probable cause.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice due to the age of the ticket. So you're all set, Mr. Dawson. Good luck to you, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mr. Dawson,
Yes, sir.
you're finished. Your case is dismissed, Mr. Dawson. You can leave.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. That's it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Well, People versus Eric Driscoll, ticket number Z808399. Count one, operating while visibly impaired. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Trokey on behalf of Mr. Driscoll. At the time I asked the warrant be set aside.
All right, court will set aside the bench warrant. State your name, Mr. Driscoll.
Yes, ma'am.
Say your name, sir.
Oh, Eric Alexander Driscoll.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review the write-up with my client, and at this time he's moving for a bench trial date.
Last name.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Driscoll.
Yes, ma'am.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
Court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial for July 13th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set. See you on
Thank you.
13th.
I can go now.
Yes, sir. This is the People versus Craig Dixon, ticket number SP 1445101. Count one, driving register or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name.
Your Honor, Pauline Trokey on behalf of Mr. Driscoll.
Dixon,
Oh, Dixon, I'm sorry.
say your name, Mr. Dixon.
Craig David Dixon.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review these matters with my client, and he provided a registration dated 4/30/2024 and a proof of insurance dated 10/7/2023. I'm moving for dismissal of both those tickets.
With that, you stipulate the probable cause.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
These matters are both dismissed without prejudice, as Mr. Dixon has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Andrew Davis. Ticket number SP 1447907. Count one, improper place. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Andrew Davis.
Say your name. Mr. Davis. Say your name, sir.
I'm mute to the device, Mr. Davis. You muted your say your name.
Andre Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, my client is entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
Court would like to continue your not guilty pleas at this matter for a bench trial for July 13th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Well, this is the people versus Stephen Reynolds. Ticket number SP 1227559. Count one, drove while licensed suspended repeat offender. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Stephen Reynolds.
Mr. Reynolds, say your name, sir.
Stephen Reynolds.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss this matter with my client. The people are offering an improper plate. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Drive while license suspended?
Yes. You can ask, want to get Ms. Horn on?
She's right here. Yes, Mr. Roki, or Stephen Reynolds.
We have a DWLS, and I indicated the offer was improper plate.
Okay, yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The only thing is, I do see another ticket here. I just want to make sure that this is closed out. All right, raise your right hand, sir. Or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your right?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 19th, 2021 at 8:37 p.m. On that date and time, were you at in your school practice sailing in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2015 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
First off, we satisfied the factual basis, will accept the admission and amend the count to a proper place, will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $200. You have that fine paid by July 26th.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Landis Dillard. Ticket number SP 1448015. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Father Dillard.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dillard.
Say your name again, sir.
Farlandis Dillard.
Your Honor, the people have made a pretrial recommendation on this matter. They would amend this charge to improper plate. My client's waiving his rights. Yes, the court to adopt that.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dillard. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Having to direct your attention to April 5th, 2023 at 3:08 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near East 7 Mile and Queen Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're driving a 2019 Nissan vehicle.
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
Huh?
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Roby?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200. Mr. Dillard, can you have that fine paid by July 26th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
All right, so you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Bashan Dickey, ticket number SP 1426308, count 1, drove while licensed suspended. One moment. Yeah, drove, that's it. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Dickey.
My name is Bashan Dickey.
Let's see, what's his name? Did I speak with you, Mr.? I didn't speak with
No,
you.
no, you did not speak with me. I was a little late getting up this morning.
Okay, sir. Sir, you have a ticket for suspended license. The city attorney would offer you a plea to improper plate. Do you want to accept that, or do you want to come back to a trial?
Say that one more time.
The city would offer you an improper plate for your suspended license violation. It would allow you to get your license back if everything else is clear. Do you want to accept that, or do you want to come to a trial?
I'll accept that. Yeah.
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to the host the nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and your right?
No, did not.
You just spoke to the attorney 2 seconds ago. Talk about that conversation.
Oh, yes.
Did anyone threaten you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Correct. Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of February 13th, 2023 at 9:34 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near Woodward and Warren, in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Dodge vehicle?
Correct.
And were you driving when your license was suspended?
Yes, I was.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Roby?
I am satisfied.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to improper plates and will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Dickey. Can you have that fine paid by July 26th?
You said by when?
July 26th.
Yes, I can have that paid by July 26th.
Any questions, sir?
No, that'll be it.
You're all set.
Thank you, and everybody have a great day.
You too.
This is the people versus Dana Robinson. Ticket number B129372, count 1, knowing and willfully make a false statement. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, you have a Dana Robinson.
Say your name is Robinson.
State your name, Ms. Robinson.
Mr.
Mr. Robinson.
Daniel Robinson.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to discuss this matter with my client. He's entering a plea and not guilty, and he wants to come down in person because he does not have Zoom ability.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson.
My hand raised.
Is it raised?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
yes,
Mr. Robinson, you weren't promised anything to waive your right to a jury trial, right? We talked about whether you wanted to have a judge or the jury.
I want a judge.
Okay, but you
Come
want,
down
okay.
there. I want to come down.
All right, so no one threatened you or forced you or promised you anything to waive your right to a jury?
Huh?
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to waive your right to having a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. We're gonna set this matter for an in-person bench trial on,
Yes.
on July 14th.
July 14th, I can come down?
Yes, come down at 9 o'clock.
Okay, will I get papers in the mail?
I don't think so. I think this is your only notice, so make sure you write it down.
Okay, July 14th.
Courtroom 334.
Courtroom 334?
Yes.
Okay. July 14th, room 334.
Correct.
Okay,
See you then.
okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss Reddick, Erica Reddick,
I can,
you can leave. Okay, Miss Reddick. Okay, why did you leave the breakout room? I can't hear you.
Good, everybody. So,
Rebecca Smith, how may I help you?